one of the most iconic places in Kolkata. It's called the flower market. And as you can see, there are a lot of flowers everywhere. Beautiful stuff, man. The light is hitting just super nicely here, so I should be able to get some good shots. However, there's way too many people all over the place, so it's gonna be hard to compose a good shot, I think. But the condition out there is full of people, full of characters, full of flowers, full of colors. So let's see where I can get. So now I really like this shot, but it's missing something. So I'm gonna wait. Yeah, that I get some shadows on the background. So it's hard. It's gonna be hard to get some good shadows in there. So someone has to pass right behind me so that he can cast a shadow there on the background. But it has to be tall and right behind me, otherwise. I'm struggling to see a good shot. So yeah, no, it's way too busy and way too many colors to compose something. This is like kind of overwhelming. It's one of those moments you're supposed to get a good shot, but it just doesn't happen, you know. And as photographers, we need to accept that not all the time we're gonna get the best shot, you know. Most of our shots are gonna be crap. Most of my shots are crap, actually. But every now and then, you get a good shot, and all the efforts, all the hours in the street pay off finally. And that's a shot, I think. Oh, it's full of dust here. And of course the dog is gone now. But still, I like the diagonal is making this shadow here right in the front. So I need someone casting a shadow here or something like a bike or something to give more depth or more context to the shot. Or someone carrying something, you know, casting a nice shadow there. Because this shadow right in the front is guiding my eye towards the dog. So, and now there's someone there standing. It's nice. So let's see if I can get a good shot in this place. I really like pillars. There's something hanging, like a towel or something, like a piece of tissue, red tissue hanging on there. It makes a really nice hint of color. Let's see. And that was it. I think that was a good shot. The colors work pretty well here because it's like you have very two contrasting colors. They're complementary to each other. So here you have this whole wall of green, and you have a little hint of red there that is not too distracting because it helps your eye to go through the frame. Sometimes the red color is really distracting, but in this case it helps to kind of like draw your eye through the image. So you're going to... Yep. taking some shots. I've taken some shots already, but it's very nice. Why are you looking at me like? This is interesting. The colors work, but I'm not sure. Oh, no, it's really tight. Okay, here I'm framing actually using the window to frame the guy on top of there. I like the colors he's wearing. There's a lot of It's hard to describe how the experience of photographing here was. After a week, after feeling awed and overwhelmed, I miss words to tell how fascinating and inspiring Kolkata is. It's definitely a street photography paradise, full of colors, life, wonder and authenticity. Everywhere you look, something interesting is going on. And I know, it's India, it's supposed to be photogenic, but man, I believe that this city stays way beyond its title of the City of Joy. However, not everything was perfect. I came here because I've seen a lot of great shots taken here. Therefore, my expectations were really high. I felt some pressure the first few days, but that wasn't the city's fault. It was just my own mind, my own insecurities playing tricks on me. Needless to say, the only thing one can do at the end of the day is to be out there and keep trying. Photography is not the art of observation only, but also patience. A lot of patience. For me personally, taking pictures is already the best excuse to walk miles, to be down the trenches and see how the world really is. Kolkata gave me a great lesson. A lesson about over-expecting things, about patience and resilience. And well, about the pictures, once in a blue moon, one gets a great shot. Otherwise, at least it was nice to spend a day out. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If so, please leave a comment down below, a thumbs up, and why not, maybe subscribe? Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you are having a lovely day. Cheers!